but your brain has been quietly acting like a little bouncer at the club of belonging, deciding who gets in and who has to wait in line, even in your group chats. Welcome back to the Engagement Playbook, where every Tuesday we explore how communities grow, connect, and come alive. I'm Kayla Romine, founder and CEO of Connect, where we build technology that helps organizations connect, communicate, and collaborate better with their community members. Today, we are talking about something that sits underneath every moment of engagement, under every yes, every no, and every read and ignore. We are talking about the psychology of belonging, how humans decide these are my people, this is my space, I can be myself here. And we are going to look at how that plays out online through digital trust, human motivation, community connection, and the tiny behaviors you see every day in your platforms. Let me elaborate here. Because belonging sounds big and fuzzy and emotional, but inside it's very simple. Your brain is always asking 3 questions. Am I safe here? Do I matter here? Do I fit here without pretending? When those 3 questions feel like a yes, engagement starts to feel natural. When even one of them feels like a no, engagement turns into work. Let us start with the biology for a second. Inside every person you serve, there is a nervous system that came from long ago humans who survived by staying with the group. Being left out was not just sad, it was dangerous. So our bodies learned to treat belonging as a survival need. Today, your members are not running from wild animals, but their bodies still act like this. Walk into a room where nobody looks up and your shoulders get tight. Open an app where nobody responds to your message and your stomach drops just a little. You see lots of inside jokes you do not understand, and your heart feels a tiny bit further away. That is biology whispering. Careful, this might not be your place. Now flip that. When you walk into a room where someone smiles and says your name, you open an app and see a message that feels like it was written for you and not just for a long list. You watch people respond to your question with kindness, not judgment. Your body relaxes, your heart rate settles, your brain says, I can breathe here. That is the starting line of engagement. Emotionally, belonging feels like this. I'm not extra, I'm not invisible, I'm not a problem to fix. When your community spaces online send that feeling over and over, people do not just participate, they get attached. Now let's look at a real example of this. Like, share, follow, or comment to help the Engagement Playbook podcast reach more communities.